Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer MoneyGram to bank account. So this is really quick and easy. Before starting, you have to make sure that you have the recipient's complete bank details, and this will ensure that your money is deposited safely and quickly. So after you log into your MoneyGram account or open the app, what you will have to do is click send money. So it should be right here. Just go ahead and click send money online if that's what you want. And what you will have to do is scroll down a little until you see send money. Explore ways to send and receive. And then you will just have to click send money to. And now you will just have to select bank account, which is right here as the delivery option. And then after that, you will just have to input the recipient's bank details and the bank name, the account number, and all that stuff. And of course, the country of the person that you will send the money to. And after that, you will just have to enter the amount to send and confirm the fees and exchange rate. And finally, complete the transaction and save the reference number. And the recipient will receive the funds in the specified processing time and share the reference for tracking. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.